YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Rosie with some of the truth. Another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell somebody, tell everybody, because we live over here. And without further ado, we got two packages right here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's do this one first. Y'all, Halloween nails, teeth, and y'all, I was going for a witch's look. That's why I got the extra curled nails and stuff. I know, right? Y'all know Halloween's my thing. If y'all hear any grumbling in the back, that's y'all niece playing with her toys. Crazy girl. I know y'all hear her. She crazy. And I'm be throwing stuff away as I go. Excuse me, girlfriend. She looking like, mommy, you're in my way. My lighter, y'all. I bought this lighter, I think either from the beauty supply store or the gas station. And I got it because it has Rick and Morty on it, but it's this huge torch lighter, y'all. But always be the packaging. They always get me. That's why I'm glad I don't got no kids. I got a fur baby, so they get me with her. But, baby, if I had kids, I couldn't do it. Because they would get me on the packaging. This is from the DH. Oh, this says take out. Y'all, I had seen this and I was like, I want this bag because it's a cute little barrel bag. Hold on, let me. Hold on, y'all. That was so cute because I had the Speedy one. Ended up getting rid of that one because it was just, I don't know. I just grew to like this bag. You know, these hawk curve nails. I'm trying to watch it because, baby, the curvature. This is definitely smaller than the Speedy one that I had, but it's okay. It's cute though. Cute barrel bag with a smaller barrel bag. I think that goes, I don't know, y'all, don't get me lying. Like something, I don't know. I have to look. I'll look and see how it goes. This is cute. It's like a little miniature duffel bag. But yeah, I got the barrel bag. Thought this was cute, of the Cherry Blossom collection. Gold hardware. I'm gonna have to stuff this to kind of make it get its shape. That's okay. We'll put that over there. Once again, that's from the DH. And then I think this is from the Expressway. Hold on, y'all, because the address. So I got this off of the DH. I mean, not DH. The Expressway basically is for like watermelons and melons. You can cut them. The little grid thing, and it's easier to cube them instead of doing it the old-fashioned way. So those. chicken meat shredder. You know, when you see those rotisserie chickens at like Sam's Club and stuff, and you like, oh, I wish I could just shred this up and do this with it. Yeah, got a chicken shredder. And that stuff be cheap, y'all. And also check on Temu, because they be having the same things when it comes to different like kitchen utensils and stuff. Cute little crock charms, sneakers. Y'all know I'm a sneaker head. Y'all hear y'all niece in the bag. I'm sorry, y'all. This girl. Thought this is cute. Sneaker keychain. Don't know which Jordan this is. I'm not good with the Jordan numbers at all. I know I love some stickers. More sneaker stickers. Cute. Sure. Okay. You go, girl. Luna. Honey. And then y'all thought this was cute. This remind me of Luna. It's a little dog purse charm. I thought this was cute. My little Luna Petunia. I don't know what's in here. I'm trying not to. Trying not to mess up the stuff. Ew. No, they package is real good. Extra bubble, like top of extra bubble. Y'all, hold on. They got a bubble wrap extra good. This is cute. They always be putting receipts in there, like, okay. Oh, it's like cute little, got the little gold horse bit hardware. It doesn't seem like the chain comes off, but that's okay. Cute. I guess big enough to hold my phone, and that's it. Something cute and dainty. Let me see something. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. If not, I can always, for real, cut the strap off right here, and then always use the regular, you know, the green and red one, because that one makes, you know, it's longer, shorter. Yeah, I'll probably just do that, because this, even on the longest, which is this one, it's still gonna be short on me. So yeah, y'all, this is a miniature haul from the Expressway in BH. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.